Hey folks, Wayne over here at the Ram Man. I want to share some helpful information with you. This right here could save you some time, money, and some grief. And I offer my expertise freely. But you gotta call, because it gives me a printout and I can keep track of people. I like to visit with people. That's how you get to the solution real quick. That emailing about complicated old bullshit, that's not serious, people. So, hey, what we've got right here is we've got the short rotor design. So this is a 70 and 80 spindle, and what we've got on here is we've got that basically that 89 to 93 hub. So on this kit right here, I just want you to see how simple it is. On this one, with this rotor, the plate, caliper plate, bolts directly to the flange. The caliper plate bolts directly to the flange. And like all of my kits, this uses a great big super powerful single piston 3-inch caliper piston with a 7-time multiplier. So whatever you got going in here is going to be multiplied by 7 times. So we just take our caliper off that easy, and here's our hub. Of course, the rotor goes behind the hub, just like what your drum did. So when you take the drum off, you just set the rotor up there. Of course, the rotor pilot or center hole matches your hub. That's what centers it right there. So there you go. So just knock out your studs, take your old drum off, put your rotor up on there, and knock your studs back in, and voila, you're ready to go. And once again, you see how simple this is. Typically with our kit, this is a real simple bolt-on. This one bolts on with 3 fasteners. There is no spacer. Just got your 3 bolts and your lock washers. I've got 2 stuck in here. So that's all you gotta do. Get your old shit off, bolt this on. That doesn't take long. Get your rotor assembly on, and then put your caliper on, which is real simple. And I send some little fittings so that you can, I offer all my kits have those great big GM calipers with the emergency brakes in there. So basically what you have to do is typically just shorten your cable and then just sweat on or solder on a new end. So there we go. Plate on, rotor assembly on, and caliper. I say all the time that, this is sub-high school level. This is not complicated. Like I said, this is one of the most powerful automobile calipers ever made. So I get a lot of people that call me back, text me back, Wayne, you've changed my life. Wayne, I used to be so nervous. Wayne, I pull a 40-foot gooseneck. Wayne, I'm a hotshot driver. You've cut my stopping distance by 1/3. Wayne, I pull a dump trailer with a skid steer in there, 14,500 pounds, 18,000. I do foundations. I used to be nervous every day going across town to do jobs for 10 years, but I'm not nervous anymore. This brake kit has changed my life. So there you go. That's how simple that is, friends. This is, well, for me, this was middle school. So anyway, God bless you. God bless America. And we ship a whole bunch of them. Just bolt that shit on and go.